Hello and welcome to the next social masterclass. So today we are going to be learning all about TikTok and will your business need TikTok? The very straight answer is if you're not on TikTok, you probably need to get on TikTok because that's the way social media is going at the minute. So a little bit of background into TikTok, which Ellie will explain.
So what actually is TikTok? So it's a video sharing platform. It started a couple of years ago now, but mainly got big during the COVID times. Everyone kind of downloaded it and was obsessed with it and still are. So it's got over 1 billion users and it is the most downloaded social media app recently. So it's kind of constantly growing and getting bigger.
So what actually is TikTok? So it is a video content platform. So you can only post videos on there. So you can post videos up to 3 minutes long. So it can be anything from 3 seconds to 3 minutes. So it is a really different platform to what we're used to in posting on Instagram, just pictures. And it can be a little bit scary, but is nothing to be scared about.
So one of the main benefits of TikTok is it maximises creativity. It lets you create your own content and follow different trends, which kind of sparks conversations and educates people, and it kind of triggers emotions as well. So different trending songs and different effects, they kind of can go viral with, even if you've got 20 followers. It all depends on following the trends and making sure that you're up there with the different big businesses that are out there too.
However, there are some cons to it in that video isn't everything. Although people do struggle with more video content, I think the idea of creating a video can be a bit daunting at first, but you can follow templates on there. You can also sync your videos with a particular sound, so it basically edits it for you. And it was also bearing in mind that Instagram is moving more over to Reels, so they are favouring Reels on a news feed compared to pictures. So you may find that if you post a Reel on Instagram, then you'll get more interaction and more people liking and commenting on it than you would on a picture, which is the exact same thing for TikTok. So Instagram are almost pinching TikTok's idea of it. So it is worth understanding a little bit on how videos work.
Another con of it is that it is quite time consuming, kind of actually videoing and thinking of the ideas and kind of watching TikTok to get the trend ideas. It all does take a bit extra time. However, as Maddie just mentioned about the importance of video, maybe take some time from posting feed posts on Instagram and maybe swap those for videos and spend for every 2 feed posts you could do 1 video instead, because they don't take lots of time, do they? It's all about kind of getting into that rhythm, understanding what your audience want, and then you can film them quite quickly.
So another thing to bear in mind, which we have spoken about in this video, is that TikTok is very trend based. So if you've never used TikTok before, the way the algorithm works is that you'll open up the app, it will then show you a load of different videos as you scroll through. The more you like and comment and interact with videos that you like, the more those videos will come up on your newsfeed. So for instance, if you see a video of someone having a manicure and you like and comment on it, then you'll most likely see more videos of manicures, pedicures and things within the beauty sphere. So by going on TikTok and actually learning how TikTok works and seeing what's happening in terms of beauty and seeing what videos are working, seeing what trends they're doing. So it could be a particular song that's really popular at the minute. Use that in your videos because that is most likely to be seen by more people because you're using a really popular song or you're doing a particular trend that is super popular at the minute, and they're the ones that are most likely to go viral or to be seen by more people.
So there are our top tips for TikTok, whether you should do it or not. Really, it's all down to you, really, and whether you can commit to it. Like we say, it doesn't take a lot of time, and it is one of the fastest growing platforms, so we highly recommend. But yeah, let us know if you've got any more questions, if you want us to explain anything in a bit more detail, and we can create a video on that. So thank you very much for watching.
Thank you, bye.